Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're 5 minutes drive from the popular town of Montefrio to show you this detached countryside property. It sits in a plot of just under 6,000 square metres. The plot is completely fenced and flat, so if you wanted animals or if you have horses, this is the property for you. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and a garage. There's a swimming pool, mains electricity, mains water and water from a well. Internet is already connected and that would be easy to change if you needed something faster. So we have this lovely grape covered porch with beautiful Andalusian style tiling. And then enter into a good sized hallway. Just here on the left is the ground floor bedroom. It's a very nice size, comfortably appointed, inset lighting. And the first of the bathrooms is also on the ground floor, so it's a shower room. As you can see, fully tiled, very nicely done. And then we have stairs to the upper floor and the large garage. And with this garage you can enter via the double gates at the front or via a single gate from the patio side. We're going to stay on the ground floor and I'd like to show you the open plan kitchen and sitting room. So we start with dining room. There's central heating. Granite worktops. As you can see, there's plenty of space here should you want to put in a slightly different style of kitchen. Don't forget to like and share our videos, that really helps us with the algorithms. And then just off the kitchen is the sitting room, and this is very slightly lower. So there are 2 steps down into the sitting room and you have access to the big terrace at the rear. So before we go outside, I'm going to take you upstairs. Got a pretty staircase, good height. Nice quality handrails. So at the top of the stairs there's a right hand turn and we have another hallway. It's a good sized bedroom off to the left, and this room has views of the garden. There are also inbuilt wardrobes. And then the last room on the left, it's another good sized room, again with inbuilt wardrobes, and this one has views of the paddock. As you can see, very flat, it's very beautiful, absolutely perfect for horses. Family bathroom is here at the end of the hall. Again, another fully tiled room with a good sized shower, everything that you're going to need. And the main bedroom, which is ensuite, is the last room on the right. and it has an inbuilt wardrobe, like a little dressing room style wardrobe. And a very good sized shower room. And this room looks over the front of the property. We're back downstairs in the dining room, and you'll find in this house that some of the windows and doors are double glazed PVC and some are double glazed and wood frame and wood shutters. So very traditional style. This is what you can see here in this kitchen. To keep the tradition and to keep the style of the kitchen, the owners have elected to put in a very nice wooden framed shuttered window, rather than change it for a modern PVC or aluminium window. It is double glazed. Let's go through out into the first part of the terrace. So there's a few steps down, and as you can see, there's a little pergola here. There's a small store. And you have direct access into the garage from here. And then going around the corner, we come to the swimming pool. So just here we have another storeroom, and it's a really good size, so there's plenty of room if you wanted to store logs or pellets if you have a pellet burner. And then I'm going to show you the pool area. All of the machinery for the swimming pool is underneath. This section here is the door that takes you through into the sitting room. Just around the corner we have the barbecue area. And then as you go further around the house, you come back to the front of the property. So as you can see, the pool is raised, which is how it needs to be when you're in the countryside. I'll just go up and take a look. Now, the owners of this property do have an agreement with a local farmer that he can graze his sheep on the land. So there's a little bit of temporary fencing where when he has the sheep in the paddock, he obviously blocks them off from getting in towards the house or the swimming pool. That's something you don't have to continue with if you don't want to. So we have a 5 metre by 7 metre swimming pool. Plenty of room for sun loungers. There's even room up here if you wanted to put in a little outdoor kitchen. And then here's the paddock. Now, you can't build on the paddock, but you can have animals here. You could put up a shed or a wooden structure, but you couldn't build anything out of bricks. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. We look forward to showing you this property. Please do like and share and leave your comments in the section below. Bookings are by appointment only.